Hello guys, welcome to another wonderful video tutorial in the magical world of Photoshop. And without wasting any much time, I'm going to be showing you in this very video how I created this very color grading, like achieve this very color grading effect on this image with this very few amount of adjustment layers, 3 of them over there. You can see me taking them off to show you a before and after the effects I actually created, and I'll be showing you the steps I take, and I'll be going very slow on the video so you can actually understand every single thing I actually made and how I achieved this. And without any further ado, we're going to be taking this through right about now. So guys, welcome back to the video. So I will be making my very few steps. You can see the adjustment layers I already have over there. These were the presets I used in creating them, but I'll be going through an easier way to actually achieve this, and I'll be showing you every single step of the way how I made it through all come true. So you can see the image over there, and you can see the very effects I already created. So I'll be going through and offing that. Already I just did that, so I'll be selecting the first step, which will pull the color balance, and you can see me dragging through on the first one over there, the blue red, and yeah, the cyan. I'll be dragging it backwards, and yeah, that third one there, the yellow blue, dragging it a little bit back, and I'm done with that effect. So I'll be going through on the next step, which will be the curves adjustment layer. Yeah, you can see me selecting that over there. So the red, blue, green over here, I think I'll be dragging it over a bit, dragging it up a bit, and then selecting them through, going forth from the red, dragging it downwards. You can see from the steps I'm making, yeah, I'm going to the green. I'm dragging the green up a little bit, just a little bit, don't drag it too further. Yeah, and the blue, we're dragging it down a little bit as well. Yeah, I think this should be good enough. Okay, so I'll be going forward to another step, and yeah, we'll be going to now be selecting another adjustment layer, which will be you can see over there how the image looks like, and I'll be selecting the hue saturation layer for this very step right now. So you can see over there the presets. I mean, I can actually select the colorize and drag it through, but that won't be nice enough at all. But I'm just showing you, you know, you can actually play around with all of this to actually achieve a whole lot of different images and pictures or photos of your choice. But that will be the step we're taking. I'm taking that off, and we'll be going. You can see the presets we have over here. You can see the saturation, the different saturations we already have. So on this one, I'll be checking on yeah, this will be the saturation I'll be taking over there. So yeah, and you can see how the image looks like right now. So I think I'll be adjusting them a little bit, maybe a little bit. So I actually use the increased saturation to achieve this, and I'll be adjusting it just a little bit. You can actually do any of this just depending on the photo you are working on. Every photo doesn't actually respond the same, but in this one, I think this very adjusted effects will be good enough for me. So I'm taking you through, showing you a before and an after. This is actually the presets I had before, and see how it looks right now. And I'll be taking those through again to actually show you exactly absolutely everything. So you can see from my former created effects how it make the image look, and you see that the image is looking so much nice. So guys, you can actually do this with so many other photos depending on how they actually respond, and achieve so much on your way to photo editing, and maybe your adjustment for photos for your graphic designs and all. But in all guys, I would like to say a very big thank you for watching this video. See you next time on another one. Peace out. Love you all. Thank you once more. Bye.